Hello friends, welcome back to Easy Click Learning. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most powerful and versatile formulas in Excel, the if formula. If you want to automate decision making, assign grades or create customized output based on conditions, the if function is for you. Okay, let's get started. Start with the basics. The if formula is a logical function that tests a condition and returns one value if the condition is true and another value if the condition is false. The structure of the formula is simple. First part, logical test. This is the condition you are testing. Second part is value if true. This is the result you want if the condition is true. Third part, value if false. This is the result you want if the condition is false. Let's imagine you have a list of student scores and you want to assign pass or fail based on whether their score is greater than or equal to 50. Here's how you do it. First, click on the cell where you want the result to appear. Type the formula equals sign if. Double click the if command. Now type b to greater than or equal to 50. This is our logical test. Add a comma. Then type pass inside the quotation mark. If the condition is true, Excel will return pass. Again add a comma. Type fail inside the quotation mark. If the condition is false, Excel will return fail. Now close the formula and press enter. Excel will evaluate the condition and give you pass or fail based on the score in B2. Next, let's say you want to assign different bonuses based on sales figure. If a salesperson achieves sales above $1,000, you will give them a bonus of $200. If they don't, the bonus will be 0. Here's how. First, select the cell where you want the bonus to appear. Type the following formula equals sign if. Double click the if command. Type b2 greater than 1000. Add a comma. Type 200. Again add a comma. Finally type 0 and close the formula. Here b2 greater than 1000 checks if the sales in b2 exceed $1000. And 200 means if true, a bonus of $200 is awarded. Finally 0. If false, no bonus is given. Now hit enter and Excel will calculate the bonus based on the sales figure in B2. Now, what if you need to test multiple conditions? For example, you want to assign letter grades based on scores. A for scores greater than or equal to 90, B for scores greater than or equal to 80, C for scores greater than or equal to 70, D for scores greater than or equal to 60, F for anything below 60. You can use nested if statements to handle multiple conditions in one formula. Select the cell where you want the grade to appear. Type equals sign if. Double click the if command. Type a2 greater than or equal to 90. Add a comma. Type a inside the quotation mark. Again add comma. Add if function again. Now type a2 greater than or equal to 80. Add a comma. Type b inside the quotation mark. Again add if function. Type a2 greater than or equal to 70. Add a comma. Quotation mark c. Add a comma. Again insert if function. a2 greater than or equal to 60. Add a comma. Quotation mark d. Add comma. Quotation mark f. Finally close the formula. The formula checks each condition from top to bottom. If the score is greater than or equal to 90, it returns A. If the score is less than 90 but greater than or equal to 80, it returns B, and so on. Finally hit enter and Excel will assign the correct grade based on the score. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Excel tips and tricks. And if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comment below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.